All right, I'm back at Home Depot and they have Ryobi Days set up now, and I'm going to go over the deals they just released for Ryobi. And they have many different BOGO options to choose from. And the first one I'm going to start off with is the 199 kit, two of the 4 amp hour batteries, as well as a 2 amp hour battery and charger. The price is 199. Then you get one of these options as a free option. The first option is going to be the HP brushless 510 CFM blower. That's a 149 value. Or you can go with a 2-pack of the 4 amp hour batteries for 229 value that you're going to get for free when you're purchasing that 199 kit. And these Ryobi days are going to be good until July 19th. And if I can find the deal online, I'll be sure to put a link down in the description below. I will get credit for the sale. If you decide to make any purchases, you could purchase it online and pick up in the store or have it directly shipped right to your door. And I do really appreciate that support. It won't cost you any more money. And the next options to get a free tool when you're buying that 199 kit would be the One Plus HP brushless 7 1/4 inch circular saw. That's a 139 value. And there'll be better options to go for a free tool, such as the 4-mode 1/2 inch impact wrench. That's a 179 value. So that's going to be a pretty decent deal. And especially on this next one, on the One Plus HP brushless Airstrike 18 gauge brad nailer. That's a 199 value you'd be getting for free. It's actually going to be an awesome deal on that. And then you're going to get 3 batteries and the nailer for 200 bucks. It's a sweet deal. And they might even have more options available online as your free tool option. And according to this sign, it shows all of these tools as being an option that you get for free when you're purchasing that 199 kit. And here's the next option you can get as a free qualifying tool to go with that battery kit. It's the One Plus HP brushless Whisper series fan. The thing that looks nice about this one is you can actually mount it to a wall, and the fan head of it does swivel, and it's a 9-inch oscillating fan. So it's Whisper, so it should be nice and quiet. It says it's also Link system compatible. So if you're in the Ryobi Link storage system, then you can pair it with that. But looks like they even have it like mounted to a stud, or maybe it hangs from there. So it might be a good setup there. But this fan here is a 129 value you would be getting for free. So I definitely recommend maximizing your savings when you're buying a battery starter kit, such as the one that's like a brad nailer. That's a $200 value you're going to be getting for free, in which I did have the previous version of this brad nailer and it worked pretty good. So I do recommend it. And this new version should be even better. And the next option you can get for free is the 18-volt One Plus HP stick vacuum. I did have the previous version of this vacuum and it didn't do well, but I think they definitely improved the design of it based on the reviews and feedback I've heard from people. And this is one of the options you can get for free. It's also a 199 value when you're buying that $200 battery starter kit. So it'd be an excellent deal there. And the next option you can go for, it's the Vortex telescoping power scrubber. So this one does adjust into the overall length of up to 51 inches. And then you can switch out the power heads to it, or the scrub heads, with different types of brushes. But that is a $99 value beginning for free, because that is a new lower price. It was $124. But again, I would opt to go for maximum savings of like a $200 tool, or at least as close to $200 you can get. And if you're enjoying this video so far, I really appreciate you do give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more tool deal videos like this. Let's go to the next Ryobi deal. All right, and here is the next BOGO deal they have. It's a $99 battery starter kit, which includes a 4 amp hour and 2 amp hour battery and charger. And it is the high performance starter kit. That's a $99 price tag on that. So you actually have two options on this, where you buy either this battery starter kit or the 13-inch string trimmer kit. That's also 99 bucks. Then you do have these options as a free tool. So again, I'll go over those options and then see what the most expensive tool you could possibly get as a free one. And these deals are also good until July 19th. Now, based on this sign, it appears that the most value you can get for free is going to be the D-handle jigsaw, which is a $79 value there. Get it as a free tool when you're buying the $99 kit. And then the other options does include a dual function digital inflator. That's a $70 value. Or you could go with the workshop blower. That's a $65 value. And I do recommend getting a workshop blower, because they are nice and handy to have on hand, especially if you're doing a lot of cuts, like a either table saw or miter saw. And it does help blow the sawdust off of work surfaces as well as tools. So they definitely come in handy. They have a good purpose. And again, that's a $65 value you'd be getting for free. Another option is the 5-inch random orbit sander. It is the One Plus model. It has a 40% reduction in vibration and it's swirl free finish. That does come with a 3-year warranty on that. Now, the next option you get as a free item would be the One Plus Wet Dry Hand Vac. That's a $74 value there. And then they have the One Plus LED Spotlight, which is a 3,000 lumen spotlight. It goes up to 650 yards and it has 3 light modes to it. And that's going to be a $60 value you'd be getting as a free item. And then the next option is a 2-pack of the 4-inch clamp fans. That's a $60 value you'd be getting for free. I do have a set of these and they actually put out a decent amount of air for their size. So it would be a good option, even though it's not the most expensive option. These definitely come in handy, especially for power outages and camping, or just to have in the workshop close by. You can even clamp it to studs or other items too. So it has this like little clamp right here, and it clamps onto thinner materials. It'll clamp onto a 2x4 with no problem. And the head of this does swivel up and down. So it is a decent fan. Getting a 2-pack of those if you buy the $99 battery starter kit or the string trimmer. All right, and then other options for the $99 battery kit you're going to purchase for 99 bucks. There's going to be the other options available for a free item. And this one's going to be the 18-inch hedge trimmer, which is obviously 18-volt one. So if you have some bushes to trim up, you could do so with this. It's a $80 value on that. And then other options that are included under that deal is a 4.5-inch angle grinder. That's a $60 value. A reciprocating saw. That's an $89 value. The multi-tool. That's a $79 value. And then they have the special buy on the 4-piece oscillating blade set for only $24.88. It was 30 bucks. And that one also includes a bonus blade. So technically you're getting 5 blades for 25 bucks. And they brought on a deal on a 6-tool combo kit, the 18-volt system, for $199. They say it was $299. And if you were to purchase everything separate, it would be $554 value total. So to get 6 tools for only 200 bucks is a good deal. This one does come with 2 batteries as well. So the tools that it includes is a drill, impact driver, a circular saw, a recip saw, oscillating tool, and a flashlight. And of course, they do count that flashlight as a tool. But to get 5 tools for 200 bucks is not bad, especially if you're looking to get into the Ryobi platform and to start off a kit. This would also make a great housewarming gift for someone who's purchasing a new house and they don't have any tools yet. This would be a great kit to go with for the weekend DIYer. And they brought on some savings on the Ryobi 22-piece titanium drill bit set. Comes in a hard plastic case with that see-through lid. So 22 pieces. They are on a hex shank bit, so you could use either a drill or impact driver. And these bits are good for drilling into wood, metal, and plastic. And then here's the back of the package. So it looks like it includes 4 of the 16th inch. And it does go all the way up to 3/8 of an inch in size. So it has a good variety of bits there. I typically harp on drill bits sets that don't include a 1/2-inch bit because 1/2 inch is something that we would come across often. But for this price of only 15 bucks, it is a pretty decent deal there. You are saving 5 bucks on that kit. Okay, the next set they have is the Ryobi 70-piece impact driving set. So obviously it's impact rated. It does come in a nice hard plastic case, again with a see-through lid, so you can see all the bits. It even includes a couple of the socket adapters, looks like a 1/2 inch and 3/8, and even a 1/4 inch. So it's got your bases covered there in that aspect. It also has other nut drivers there on the top part of it. And this is also saving 5 bucks. So it's only 15 bucks. It was 20. So if you're looking for upgraded tools versus the ones that is the 6-tool combo kit, if you're looking for an upgrade, you can opt to upgrade for this one: brushless drill and impact driver. It also includes 2 2-amp-hour batteries as well as a charger and tool bag. So these are brushless tools, and the difference is that they are more efficient, a little bit more powerful, and they'll last a lot longer versus the brush tools that this kit would be. So the normal retail price is 200 bucks for the 2-tool combo kit, but you're going to be saving 20 bucks on that, so it's $179. And they even have a deal on the 18 volt One Plus Edge 4.0 battery. It's going to be priced at $129. It was $149. This is their tabless cell battery that they recently came out with, so it'd be a decent value there for $129. And they have some USB lithium battery options, but they don't say that they're a lower price actually. So the first one is going to be on the USB lithium clamp fan. So it's a smaller version of the clamp fans I showed earlier. And the way they show it on this display, they have it clamped on a golf bag. If you're hot out on the golf course, might be a good thing to get. It says it does have over 7 hours of runtime on it, powered by this little USB 2 amp hour battery, which charges by USB-C. It also acts as a charger for other devices, so you could charge up your phone with it as well. It will clamp onto 1.25 inch pieces of wood, so you won't be able to do a 2x4. It'd be too big for that. But it is a nice little compact fan. The one side of it does swivel up and down. That's a $40 price tag on that. And they also have the USB lithium screwdriver with a 2 amp hour USB battery for $50. The screwdriver does pivot, so you can make it at a right angle or a straight screwdriver. And they do have a lower price on this Ryobi USB lithium detail scrubber kit. So it includes these different heads to it, so you can do different cleaning tasks with it between different brushes. It has like a little detail brush that's like at an angle there. It's also powered by the USB battery, so you're able to scrub on grout, tile, and fiberglass. So the normal retail price for this is $40, but you'll be able to pick it up for $30. And they have other bit kits available too, and I'll go over them here. So they have the 3-piece titanium step drill bit set that's good for drilling into thin metal, plastic. It has a 1/4 inch hex shank to them. These are the different sizes for the different bits that it'll drill. So this 3-piece set normally retails at $25, and you'd be able to save $5 on that, pick it up for $20. Then they have this 40-piece drill and impact drive set. Comes in a nice hard plastic case. Again, the thing that's nice about this is that it does have different style drill bits, so it'd be good for drilling into wood and metal. And they have some with the little pilot bits and then spade bits. So it might be a decent little kit there for especially new homeowners that are just getting into their DIYing. And this is priced at only $13. It was $16. And next up is a 44-piece essentials driving set. So it comes with different length of extension bit holders, and as well as these different bits between Torx, screwdriver, and even different nut setters as well. So this is a special buy while supplies last. It's something they don't normally carry in stock, and the price of this kit is only $12.88. All right, next up is the Ryobi 11-inch flexible shaft bit extension. So it has the 1/4 inch attachment there, so you could use it in either a drill or impact driver. This shaft is flexible, so you can get into nice tight spots. And the price on this is only $10. It was $15.77. Now, I do have this one in particular myself, and it's been pretty good. I've had it for a couple of years now, and the end of it is a magnetic bit holder, so it's nice and convenient. It holds a bit in place. So I definitely recommend picking up one of these if you don't have one already, especially to get into nice tight spots. And the way they show it here on the package is someone working on an engine bay be able to get to a fastener. So these definitely come in handy. They have their place, and it's definitely a good deal at only $10. And they have another 2-tool combo kit. It's the drill driver and impact driver. This one does include 2 of the 1.5 amp hour batteries and a charger. This is going to be brushed model tools. And this 2-tool combo kit is priced at $99, which is saving $50. It was $149. Again, they are brushed tools, but to get 2 tools for $100 and 2 batteries, not a bad deal at all. And I'll cover the other options they have here on their displays that they have in the middle of the aisle. Some of they just recently rolled out with. They have a compact chemical sprayer with a 2 amp hour USB battery. So if you have to apply different chemicals to maybe plants or other items, it might be a good little sprayer kit to go with. And this is priced at $50, and it shows everything that it does include, which is a 2 amp hour battery as well as the charging cable. Now this sprayer says it does spray over 18 feet, so if you have to cast a long spray, it might be able to handle that. It has an adjustable nozzle for stream, mist, and fan settings. And it has the on-off trigger there on the handle there, and it sprays over 40 tanks, which is 6 gallons of liquid per charge. So that's a pretty decent amount to be able to spray out of one charge on the small USB battery. Okay, other options they have, it's going to be on the 18-volt platform. And first up, they have the compact glue gun. That's $35. Basically, you put the battery in on the bottom of it, and it'll basically, I think, charge up or heat up the gun, because the gun is separate from the base of the charger portion of itself. And they also sell 24-piece of the mini size glue sticks. That's $7. And then the glue gun itself is 35. And they have pretty decent savings on the Ryobi 15-piece router bit set that's good for cutting into wood. They have a carbide edge and a 1/4-inch shank. So you could technically pair these bits up with their 18-volt router. The price on these bits is only $40. It was 70. So it is a decent deal on that one. And then on the compact router, this is tool only. They also have a lower price on this, which is priced at $79. It was $99. And they're also offering the one-handed recip saw for $60. They don't say that's a lower price at all, but $60 for that kind of saw is a decent deal. Same thing goes for a 4.5-inch circular saw. So this is going to be a small one. That's also priced at $60. And they do have a multi-size ratchet available. So it has a switchable anvil to it. So you can switch it out between 1/4-inch and 3/8 inch. And also has a 1/4-inch hex to it. So you could put bits in there as well. And the head of it swivels around as well. So if you had to get to different positions, you could do so with this. It also has dual LEDs, and the positions on the head is a 4-position rotating head. Now the price on this ratchet is $89. It was $119, so that is a decent deal there to get a ratchet, especially one that you could do both 1/4-inch and 3/8 sockets with it. And then next up is another drill option. This one's going to be the 1/2-inch drill with a 1.5 amp hour battery and charger for $89. And they have a couple other Ryobi options they rolled out, and they have a 7.5-inch Whisper Series hybrid fan. So you could power it by either an 18-volt battery or an extension cord, and this is tool only. I had the previous version of this fan, and it works pretty good. I actually use it daily, and it's been awesome. The price on this fan is $59, and it has 3 different speed controls to that through the front dial right there. Whereas that's actually an improvement on this one versus the one that I have, where the one I have only has 2 speeds, and the switch on it is to the back behind the fan itself. So this would be definitely easier to use having the front dial like that. Now this next item might be a decent pickup and would be definitely handy to have in a vehicle, especially if you're in the Ryobi platform. And it's on this high pressure digital inflator. It is tool only. It will inflate up to 160 psi, so you're good for inflating car tires, bicycle tires, sports balls, and wheelbarrow tires. It does have different adapters to it, a pinch valve and press the valve, and a sports needle as well. So they have your bases covered for inflating tires. And this is a nice compact unit, so it would be definitely easy to store in a vehicle with a battery, of course. And that lower price is only $30. It was 40. I definitely recommend carrying an inflator in your vehicle if you don't have one already, because flat tires or low tires always happen at a most inopportune time. And then there's never like a local gas station nearby to where you can just quickly inflate a tire. So it's definitely good to have one on hand. All right, that's going to be all the Ryobi deals that I could find as far as their Ryobi days go. I think there's some pretty decent options available here. Let me know down in the comments below if you're in the Ryobi platform and if you plan on picking up anything. And if you enjoyed this video, I really appreciate you do give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more tool deal videos. I really appreciate you watching, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks so much.